I'm from North Carolina, born and bred here. I moved to Eastern North Carolina to attend college down there. Excited about doing things with my hands and building stuff, so it's segued nicely into solar.
I grew up in North Carolina in Wilmington. It's a city on the coast. I went to school for urban planning, so that's something I'm really interested in, sustainable development. NC Solar now, we've been in business for over 10 years. We've done over 2,500 installations. We have over 250 5-star Google reviews and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau.
We've grown from doing about installation every 2 weeks to now we do 12 to 15, and these are individual residential installations. We also do some amount of small commercial for some of our local businesses.
NC Solar now offers a turnkey installation process. So that means from the moment that you inquire about solar to 10 years down the road when you have a question about why something is working the way it is, we're here for it. We're a local company through and through, all W-2 employees. Most everyone is in the office from time to time. You can come to the office and meet everyone that'll be working on your project. We have a really robust post-installation service department, which I'm really proud of. And we're a local family-operated business.
Here at NC Solar now, we have a dedicated in-house team of engineers and designers that go through the available solar products in the market and selectively choose the ones that are the most suitable for our installations. So all these selections are made with the intention of making sure our solar systems last as long as possible with minimal amount of maintenance necessary. Part of our design process here at NC Solar now is to do a thorough site visit where we take drone footage of the home and we produce 3D models and 3D shading analysis so that we can accurately calculate how much energy they expect to get off the system. It's very important that we use a solar module that has a positive power tolerance and expectable production and a great warranty. Once we have this system designed, we send that information to the customer so that they understand exactly how much energy they'll be producing and how much they won't be buying from the utility company.
Our customers are looking to be more sustainable. They are concerned about the environment and they also want to save money on their energy expense. We want to make sure that we're providing a great product, both from an aesthetic point of view, longevity. We want to make sure there's great warranties that go along with that equipment, and that's what we found in Qcells.
One of the most important things for our customers is for them to know that the equipment they're buying will last for the lifespan of their system. So a 25-year warranty is a very important reason for buying a solar panel. Another very important reason that our customers buy solar panels is because of the knowledge they are made locally and that they're supporting local jobs in our local communities. NC Solar now is happy to provide premium products such as the Qcells module, products that are locally built, crafted with care, tested to industry standards, above industry standards, have above industry standard warranties and production outputs. It's one of the important values added by using Qcells products, and that's an important aspect to NC Solar Now's business, providing a value-added product for our customers. One of the most powerful thing about solar installations is that not only are you providing a service to the world at large, you're helping reduce the environmental impact of your client, you're helping them go green, you're helping them feel good about how they're spending your money. Not only that, but you're also helping them save and make money, so it's a win-win. It's a good investment that you can make that also has a positive impact on your community.